In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a post on Instagram with multiple photos. So what I mean by that is being able to post multiple photos in the same post. Do you ever go on a post where you can actually swipe left and go through a bunch of different photos in one post? That's what I'm going to teach you how to do. So what you want to do is go to your Instagram, and you just come to your homepage, whatever it may be, and you want to go to the plus sign at the very bottom, in the middle of the screen at the very bottom. So go ahead and hit that, and we're going to add a post. So what you want to do is, you see the main photo that it chooses, where it says recents, then it says drafts, and then on the other side of the screen, it actually has a camera, and then it looks like a picture. What you want to do is actually select that picture. And what that's going to do is it's going to be it will enable you to select multiple photos. So I can go ahead and select multiple photos, and then you can unselect them. You can change the order. You can really kind of do anything that you want, as you see me doing here. You can unselect all of them. You can choose different photos, whatever you really want. It could be 2 photos. It could be 100 photos. It doesn't really matter. So once you have your photos selected in the order that you want them, you would go ahead and hit next. And you can go through your filters and stuff like that, but go ahead and hit next on the next screen. And then from here, you would post the photos as you normally would on your Instagram, with a caption, with music, with tagging people, anything that you really want to do. You would go ahead with a normal post like you normally would. So that is how you would go about making multiple photos in the same post on Instagram. I hope you guys found this useful, and we'll see you in the next one.